Yeah, today we are officially launching the website for the 90th birthday celebration of His Holiness birthday, starting July 6th. Um, this website contains, it's in dual language as of now, Tibetan and English. And anybody who's interested or organizing any programs on during the 90th birthday celebration, which we'll be celebrating, of course, as the Year of Compassion throughout the year globally. This website will contain information in the home page, the general page, and then about His Holiness the Dalai Lama, about his about his predecessors, about his life, dates. Every material will be available on the Dalai Lama section that starts from the four principal commitments of His Holiness. And then news is about programs that have been conducted regarding the 90th birthday all around the world. And, uh, and then in the announcement section, whatever announcement will be made by the organizing committee of the 90th at the central level, or at the local level, whatever is necessary will be in that section. Then events, whatever has been confirmed, are organized category date-wise as throughout the year, whether it's within the Tibetan community or outside of it. So every person who conducts those programs will send a short video, a synopsis of that event, and then also link it to the larger event if necessary. And then this will outline all the programs calendar-wise as to what is happening where, in which part of the world, on what topic. Yeah, but today downloading materials are, we have two downloadable materials that can be used for exhibition, ready-made exhibition. And to those countries who don't speak English or Tibetan, translations have been done in various languages as much as possible under the jurisdiction of the Office of Tibet in that region. In the downloadable for media, whatever is there, and if you want some good pictures of His Holiness, that's also uploaded there. If you want to use the 90th birthday logo, exhibition materials, and then there are so many different kinds of souvenirs which are designed for 90th birthday, which if they want to reproduce at the local level, they can download from that section. Then the contact materials, contact numbers are there. And there's also the frequently asked questions section. If people have new questions, also the organizing committee can respond to that. And I have mentioned during my Tibetan version of this meeting the media that most of the arrivals of the High Lamas from different traditions will start from 29th of this month. And then the 90th birthday as per Western calendar, again as per Tibetan date, is the 30th of June, which is being organized by Dome, because most of the lamas are coming also for the Dome 90th birthday celebration. And then on the 1st, we will have the invocation of Nechung, the official protecting treaty, which we do it regularly every summer, and this time we are doing it on 1st of July. And 2nd to 4th of July will be the conference of the religious heads and the traditions. On the 2nd morning, there will be a brief meeting of all the head lamas, which is about 9 of them, meeting with His Holiness. And after that meeting, they will come down to start the inaugural session of the religious conference. And at the opening of the religious conference, there will be a video message from His Holiness, which will be displayed there. All the media will have access to the video and the statement written in different languages. And following that would be a short meet with the press on the 2nd, immediately after the screening of His Holiness message. And then from around 11 o'clock, we will go on with the sessions where the head lamas of each of the traditions will speak till about late afternoon. And then there will be working groups for the attendees to discuss about the message that His Holiness has given, and also on other topics that have been outlined for discussion during the conference. By evening of the second day, we should have passed the resolutions. On the third day, that is 4th of July, all the attendees will go to the private office and seek His Holiness blessings. And at that point, all the head lamas will speak about their own thinkings for about 5 minutes, which will not be open for press, but will be recorded by the private office and most probably Tibet TV as well. Then there will be concluding session in the afternoon, and then after the dinner on the 4th. So 5th is the real, just one day before the official ceremony, is a long life prayer offering by Tibetans inside, outside, and form and formless. Every one of us, every Tibetan, both the government and the public, offers His Holiness the long life prayer offering, and most probably 2-3 dignitaries will come before the 6th July event and attend that event as well. And then that will be followed by cultural dances. We have, I think, representation from different cultural troops from around the world, mostly from Asia, to perform. Then after lunch, then on July 6th, which is the main event, we will have guests from the Government of India, our Central Minister, 2 Chief Ministers, Ladakh Hill Council, chairman and members, and then many other friends around the world. We have deliberately kept the number of invitees low because the seating arrangement is very difficult if we have too many guests. And since we are going to celebrate this throughout the year, we will be inviting guests at different points of time. This time we have not invited the Honorable Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh for 6th July event. When I visited Honorable Chief Minister last April, we decided that on the 10th of December, Honorable Chief Minister will attend the 90th birthday celebration in conjunction with the International Human Rights Day and His Holiness the Dalai Lama receiving the Nobel Peace Prize. So we will also have a lot of congressional delegations throughout the year. We're working with many other parliaments to see whether they can come directly to Dharamsala to wish His Holiness personally and also be able to take part in the celebration through the year. Yeah.